Good morning, folks. Just wanted to make a quick little video here and let you know that the live stream that we normally do every Thursday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this week will be Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. As you can hear in the background, the big machine running there. I've just got so much going on up here at the homestead that I can't do it Thursday morning. So my apologies. But, these will be recorded and posted at FromTheField.tv shortly after they are streamed. And as you know, they only last on YouTube for about 24 hours. Sometimes they sit up there a little bit longer. But, that's what we're going to do this week. Quick little update here. Got a ton going on. I'm standing in the first terrace that we created. And it's really sweet. We carved out about maybe a sixth or an eighth of an acre here, and we had the two machines running in conjunction. We've got 75G John Deere excavator or backhoe going right now with a blade. We're using that to scrape and push, and then I was running the skid steer yesterday, so we had two machines going at once and moving material for the excavator, as well as kind of grading, and it worked quite well. It's kind of like a shovel and a rake working together. So that was a big chunk of what we had going on, and now we're starting to terrace up top, because my main garden area on this site, so far things have changed. Once you start getting in there, you hit bedrock, and then you got to change plans a bit. But so far, the gardens are going to have kind of two terraces, a main terrace up there. I think we can get at least a quarter acre up there, and then this is less than a quarter acre, but we might be able to scrape it out a bit more and get a quarter acre. So my objective is to get at least a half acre of gardens up here on the site for growing annuals, basically. And then when it comes to the perennial stuff, well, I can do that in many different places. Right now, I've got this one area which I don't actually need to terrace anything. It's a sweet little path that kind of walks down the site here. I'm going to have fruit trees on both sides of this path. The path is about 8 feet wide, and then I'm going to have fruit trees going on either side, about 6 feet apart to start. So that, hopefully I can do that this year. We'll see. But a lot going on up here. We're going to start excavating where the house is going to go as well next. We've got this machine for at least a few more days, so we got to kind of use it while it's here, because it's not cheap to get it delivered out here. So we got to use it while we have it. So that's a little quick update for you guys, and I'll see you on the live stream at Friday at 9 a.m. Take care.